the societal structures that enable extremist narratives to thrive and become part of our common sense. And part of our approach to tackling everyday extremism is really kind of looking at two main outcomes. The first is limiting the spread of extremist narratives. How do we make sure that they're not actually spreading, becoming widespread conspiracy theories or ideas that take hold and become common sense? But the second part of that is how do we build these democratic capacities? So when we talked about political literacy, it's not just a question of limiting exposure to extreme ideas, but also when we are exposed to them, how do we handle them? How do we know how to handle them? How do we learn to kind of resist them and also challenge them? And again, we're much better at doing that when it's ideas we don't agree with rather than when it's ideas we do agree with. So OppAttune's approach to everyday extremism has included building this everyday extremism scale that allows us to measure the kind of normalization of extremism in any one context. It also enables us to adapt it to certain kind of contextual issues or different types of narratives. We've also developed tools and guidelines for how to track and limit everyday extremist narratives. And also more recently in our work,